Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today I'm going to show you how to say the K sound. K. When you say the K sound, the back of your tongue is going to go all the way up and touch your soft palate, also called your velum. K. You're going to release a quick burst of air, just like this. K. K is a quiet sound, so we keep our voice turned off. The back of your tongue is going to go all the way up and touch right back here. This is your soft palate, or your velum. So it's going to go all the way back and touch the top here. The tip of your tongue is going to stay down. K, k. If you put your tongue tip up, you're going to end up saying t instead, and that's not the right sound. Tongue tip down, back of the tongue up, k, k. Now I'm going to say it, and then you're going to practice after me. Remember, the back of your tongue goes up, the tongue tip stays down, and you release a quiet burst of air. K. K. How did you do? Now you are going to practice the K sound 10 times. You're going to see a mouth on the screen that looks like that. Every time you see a mouth, practice your K sound. Be sure to keep the back of your tongue up, the tip of your tongue down, and release your quiet burst of air. K. Great job practicing! I made a silly song to help you remember how to say the K sound, and it goes like this. Tongue goes back to say the K, up and back, that's the way. Tongue goes back to say the K, now let's say our sound K. Now, let's say it together. Tongue goes back to say the K, up and back, that's the way. Tongue goes back to say the K, now let's say our sound K. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you had as much fun as I did practicing the K sound. If you think you need more practice, play the video again. To the parents and SLPs watching this video, I wrote a workbook. It is a super awesome, helpful, step-by-step workbook for saying the K and G sounds. This workbook can be downloaded and used immediately. Just download it at peachiespeechie.com.